welcome back to Scratch Funo. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple Scratch shooter game. And it'll start from the beginning and to the end. And let's start scratching. Okay, go to create. This is part 1, by the way. Okay, delete Scratchy. And then we're going to draw a character, which is going to be like our main character that is going to be moving around. Like Scratchy, but it's not like Scratchy, okay. So, what's your choices? I like to do squares, and then you can just do it to color. I'm going to do, yeah, I don't know what to do. I think green is bad guys, right? No, green is good guys, red is bad guys. Okay, so yeah. So you just can go to green. And then go here. And then it's color 39. And then Saturnian. Yeah, that's 100. And then brightness, you can just do 90. Yeah, and then after you've done this, you first do like a circle and pressing shift. And you see, now you can make a perfect circle. Square. Okay, yeah. I'm just so bad at geometry. And then do it by 39 by 39 should be good. But I want it to be like different. So I'm going to make this side a little bit flatter. Like 30. No, I don't want to do 30. 32 out of 39. Okay? And after you did this, you can just do here. Put this. Oh, and then you put this, and then so you can just get this color, and then just go. Since that brightness is 89, you can just go. I'll say darker. How about I'll do 66, 79, 100, and 66. Okay, and then turn it up to higher. Yeah, 4. I'll do 5. And then I can shrink this smaller a little bit into 32 and 27. Because I want a really good square. And okay, well, it's basically a choice right now. Because I'm going to make 2 eyes. It's your choice how you want to make the eyes look like. You can just do like you can make this. You can make the inside, bruh. Why am I so bad at this? I'm supposed to put this. Okay, do not do this. I got something wrong. 80. Okay, now you're good. And then after you did this, you can just not click this. I don't make the same mistake I made. And now you can just put this into white. You get it? Which is going to be 0, 0, and 100. And then you can just draw, by pressing shift, draw like one circle, like this big. And then just go here, and then do copy, and then paste it again. And then use the arrow keys to move it. First the side, and then you can move it like how you want it to be, so. Like that. And then you see you have a mini character. And then now you need to make the mouse, which you can make this up to 3. Okay. And then I'm just going to draw a square right over here. Like that, perfect. And then, fill is supposed to be white. And then just do this. And then, ta-da. Now you see I have this really cute square character. And you can also make his mouse fatter if you want. Bruh, how do you do this? Okay, you can zoom in like this, and then just, bro, why is it not working? Yeah, like that. And then you can just make it up like here, and then do equal sign, and then just do it like this. Put this in the middle, and it should be good. And now let's start scratching. So now for the code, go to events, press when green flag clicked, and then we want it to like move around like in like that. And then so we're gonna basically get like when green flag click, and then go to control, put a forever loop, and then if then, and then go to sensing, key up arrow pressed. So if we want it to go up, then we're gonna have to make it go up. And then we're gonna do the Y, say change Y by 10. Let's see how it works. Oh, you have to press the green flag click, and then see, it goes really fast. So we do not want it to go to by 10. You can go by 5, and then see, you can put this back here and just keep doing it. 5 is okay. You can just do 3.5 like that if you kind of want to do that. You get it? Yeah. I did 3.5 for some reason. I'm not even sure if that's allowed in Scratch, but yeah. So I'm just going to do 3. Okay. And then it says, look, if when up arrow key pressed, it'll move up. Okay. Now since the up arrow key is working, we can't get down. Like, look, if we keep just getting up here, you can't get down to the screen. I'm going to stop the code and just duplicate this, put it at the end, and then do down arrow key, and then do -3. Because this is like -3, so we'll move like the negative like direction as the up arrow. So like see, and then do down arrow and up arrow, see? Now it's working. Look at that, get it? It's working really smooth, not bugging out. And then now, all we have to do is basically go to change X by 10. Yeah, and then go to if then, and then put a change X by 3, and then just go to sensing key right, and then we're going to duplicate this again, and then put it at the end of if key right arrow pressed, and then stop the code, and then you can just do if key left arrow is pressed, and then do -3. And you might know what I'm talking about since I explained it when I was doing up arrow and down arrow. And let's see if it works. So, see? Yeah. It works really smoothly. You get it? But it's sometimes your choice which way you want to do it. You might want to do WSD keys. So you just need like up arrow W, and then down arrow S, and then right arrow D, and then left arrow A. It's a choice, but I like using arrow keys. Yeah. And then can save now. I don't know why I'm doing this. Did that. Okay. And since I have this little cube, we want to spawn in the middle. Just go to 0, 0. So position it in the middle. You get it? And then we want it to go to 0, 0 when the game starts. And then now let's test it out. Press green flag, and then you go here. And then what if you press the green flag again? And you'll start as the beginning. Okay. Now we're gonna make a new sprite. I mean, we can call it gun, I guess. Yeah. And for a gun, we need to eyedrop this one if you don't have it. I don't have it, so I have to eyedrop that one. If you do have it, you don't need to do that part. And now you can just draw a little gun, best as you can. I'm gonna do a little rectangle. You get it? And then it's gonna be 2, maybe 3. Yeah, 3, and then just gonna get inside really quick. And then just make the gun smaller. You can make this gun. I'm gonna just tilt this thing and then press shift. And then see, now you have it perfectly straight, like 90 degrees. And then you have this little handle thing, but we want to make a gun. So what you need to do is just basically go here, copy, paste. And also, by the way, this is the 6 multiple 16. Okay, and then now you have 2 of these. You can just turn this around, do the shift magic trick again. Good. And then make this longer. Okay, a little bit longer, and then do it like this. You get it? And then you can just connect these together with the arrow keys, you see? Like that. And we want this to go up in it like that. That's gonna be our simple gun. And if you want it to look more nice, you can just do this, and then you can do 3 and press the shift key to make it really straight. And then ta-ta, this looks really nice. And then for the handle part, I'm gonna make it black. And then speaking of black, this is 0, 10, and 0. And then press the shift magic trick again, and then do the lines. Ta-da! That's how you do it. It looks really nice to me, I guess. And then size is 100, and we want this gun to be bigger. And we can turn this to about 128. And then this guy, we can turn it 115. And then this, and the gun. And then, since we have this gun here, we want it to go to here, and we want it to shoot. And by the way, I do not like 208. I'm gonna do 30. 30, kind of good. Do 35. Yeah. I think I like 40. 40 looks okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna do 40. And then by 45. Okay, let's go. So you see this gun? We want this gun to keep moving around and point towards our mouse pointer. Okay, so I need to just draw my mouse pointer right now. I mean, I don't need to draw it. I just do when green flag clicks, go to Control, Forever, Motion, go to mouse pointer. And then you see this will go to your mouse pointer when green flag clicked. But mouse pointer is not actually what we want. We want it to go to the sprite 1, which is the character. You get it? It's going over here because you have to put this. Dude. Yeah, do not do this, okay? That was just an accident. Yeah, and then just do this. Bring this to the middle. And then now it should be good. Okay, and then just keep going over here. Get it? It's just this gun that follows it all the way. So we want it to point towards mouse pointer. And do when green flag clicked. Forever. And then let's see how it goes. See, it goes like this. It's turning inside of the middle of it, of the gun, which we don't really want that. So to prevent that, just do this, and then shift it around, shift it a little bit to here, and then test it out. See, now it looks good. See, this is your gun. And then you can move around. Yeah, it looks nice. You get it? Yeah. And after it's good, just go to the code. And, you know, in games, it can shoot. And look, this one, it just stuck here forever. You can't shoot even if you click. So, we're going to have to go to, when green flag clicked, show. So it looks, I wanted to like create clone of myself and make the clone show. So we're gonna have to, oopsies, okay, I'm sus at this. I go to here and then draw a bullet. Bullets, to be honest with you, I prefer just black ones, like this. But sometimes I just like gray ones. And this one's, by the way, 0, 100, 0. And this one's a gray. I like doing gray sometimes. If you're doing both, black kind of looks weird. Yeah. And we want this gray to be a little bit darker. Like this. So it kind of matches with our black. And then just go here. And then, see, we're making a bullet. But for a bullet, this is a little bit too slow. So we're going to turn it into 5. And then get really small. And I'm just going to zoom in. Put this over here. And then put this right like here. Yeah, good. And then after this, you can just turn this smaller again. And turn it like, this one's gonna be 4, I feel like. Like this. Perfect. Now you have a bullet finish, but it looks kind of weird. Also like a gun, you get it? It looks like a plain old, like it's not even round. And also ours. So we're gonna use a new technique called the, what's it called again? Okay, I have no idea. What's it called? Oh, reshape. Called a reshaper. And then you just need to click on here. And then look, click, look around it, and then bend this. And then do one like here. And you see you have a really round bullet over there. And then all you do is turn it back in here and get a bullet. And we want it to flip over. And you'll see what I mean by that. And do a shift trick again. And then ta-da. Good. After the bullet's gone, let's change these costumes. Because they look like a plain old bangle. Wait, why do that all of them? Okay. And go like this. Okay. Good. And we also want to change the mouse. The mouse looks kind of dumb. And then some over here. Okay. And then, you see this mouse? I want to make it smile. So I'm going to just do it like this. Like this smiley face. We want it to be curved. Just go. I'm going to go back. If you do make a mistake, then just go back. And then just do it like something you think would be good. Like a smiley face. You get it? And then you can just go back if you make a bad mistake of it. And then here's also another trick if you think it's struggling. Just zoom in. And just do here. Like this. See? Easy. Bam. A smiley face. The eyes look kind of dumb, so I'm also going to change it. Like this. And like this. Yeah. Also be careful of where you're putting your dots. Try your best to put them at the same distance. Like around it. The eyes look kind of weird. But I like it. Okay, perfect. If you make it too close to the edges, it looks kind of weird. And now you see, everything looks so much smoother, except our gun. So we're gonna just zoom in. Okay, and just click on this gun, and then we're gonna make it smooth. You get it? Make it smooth. Yeah. So I can make it smooth. Okay. And also, if you want to make your gun sharp, it is okay. Your opinion. I like doing a little bit around to it. Wait, what happened? Yeah, if you have mistakes like that, you can just fix it. Like, just go back. Bro, what's happening? Oh, yeah, dude. And then you can just go back. Go back. Okay. Okay. You can actually act. That's annoying. If you can just, like, just press shift again and then do this, do the magic trick and move it away. And then now you can just do your stuff. Turn it a little bit. Not as much as the front, but a little bit. And then after this, you can just shift again and then move this back. Like so. And then you can just go get back this one. Do the angles. Like this. And ta-da! No! Everything looks so much better. You get it? No, so let's see. Everything looks so much smoother. Yeah. But you might see his mouth looks weird. Oh, you mean his eye. Sometimes it gets buggy. So you gotta fix it. See? We want it to be pointed, curved. You see? Look at that. I'm gonna delete this. Sometimes if you have bugs, just do the other one, like copy, paste. And then press shift again if you did also have the same problem as me. And then perfect. Yeah. I don't care about it anymore. And then now you have a really smooth character coming. You can move around. Except the bullets not working, so I'm going to sprite free. When green flag clicked, forever, if then, touching mouse pointer, if we wanted to, not touching mouse pointer, we wanted to, if mouse down, then point towards, we want it to point towards the mouse pointer and it'll shoot. You get it? So I'm going to do, then point towards, always point towards. Then point towards. We need to point towards the mouse pointer, and then if then we need an else. And you might think you can't combine something, but this seems to solve the problem. And throw this away. Oh, you only need an if then. Forever create clone of myself. And then, you have to wait a few more. It's like a second. Like create clone of myself and then wait 0.8 seconds. And then say create clone of myself and wait 0.8 seconds. And then you wanted to create another clone of myself. But as you can see, if we just keep doing this and watch, see, it's not really working because it's not really a code for this thing. If mouse down, we wanted to create clone myself, and then we wanted to do a code for the for that guy, for the clone. We'll do it when I start as a clone. We want it to go towards, go to, and we want to show and hide. Because at the beginning, we'll make it hide. You get it? And then see if mouse down, then show. Go to sprite 1, hide. We wanted to hide, because if we do that, then we can't create a clone. We want to put this at the end and put this on top of here, and then ta-da, and then it should work. But you see, as you keep doing this, and then you move away, it just makes a bullet, you get it? And you don't do anything. So that's why we want it to point towards mouse pointer, and then move 10 steps. Repeat. Because we can't do repeat 10, because if we just say a amount, then it'll just keep going. It might be too far. So we have to do repeat until touching edge. Get it? Touching edge, and then move 10 steps. We don't want to do 10. How about 8? And then we want to delete clone. Delete this clone. Let's see if it works. And then see, mouse down. See, it keeps shooting like this. But it can't get stuck, which is not a good thing. So we're gonna do key space pressed. Like this, you get it? But it's really slow. So I'm gonna wait 0.3 seconds. And now it's domination, dude. But you see, the bullet's not going towards the gun. So we want it to go. Let's see. See? If we just do this, we want it to go higher. So all you have to do, okay, and then do this. And then you can just make this go higher a little bit. Let's see how it works. Oh man. Higher a little bit. Let's see if it works. You can just do one more click, and then see how it works. Perfect. But it's going towards him, and we don't want it to go here, so you just need to shift, and let's see how it works. Now it still needs some more space, so just keep doing this again. See how it works. It comes from the bullet bone, but we want it to go a little bit more. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works really good. Just need to go a little bit more. A little bit more. See, now it's perfect, dude. It just spawns bullets that shoot at people. And they come from the gun. But, wait 3 seconds. It's a little bit still too long. We wanted to do 0.1 second. Dude, you get that? That's domination, dude. See, this is really satisfying. Just go around. And there's also one more thing we need to do before we finish this video. Look, this looks cool, actually. You can show off. We're going to have to make a pointy thing that, points for us. So we just need to do the same thing. Here, go here, here, and you just get the hardware, and then you should be good. And then you just need to draw the aim. I usually like using squares, because they are nice. And then this actually But I'm going to actually do a kind of magic trick. You get, we want this to be in here. And then we want this to get bigger. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do 13 and then put this in the middle. And then we can actually do shift to this. Just do shift. And then, yeah, see? 57, 57. And then now we're going to shrink this a lot. Shrink this. I think 13 is actually a little bit more. I'll do 8. And then shrink this a little bit more. And then perfect. Put this in the middle. And then now we're going to create another one. But we want this color to be the light green. You get it? And then I'm just going to zoom in more. And then just do the light green of it. And then go here. And then you see I did the light green. And then the light green is a little bit too thick. So I'm going to do 5. And then I'm going to make it a square. Like shift. And then do the shift trick again. And then make it bigger. And then put this in the middle. You can make this bigger if you want. It's annoying actually. The shift trick, sometimes it's kind of hard. But yeah. And then fit this in the middle. I want this to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to put it like here. And then you see that's a really good aiming spot. And then we just need to do something. I mean, it looks already really good. So let's go to code. And then we want this to always follow the mouse pointer. So go to motion, go to mouse pointer. And then events, when green flag clicked, forever. And then press the green flag. And you see, you made a really simple shooting game. It's really satisfying. You get to shoot bullets. You get to move around. Yeah. And you know, some people like using WMS keys. So we're going to also do something which is going to help them. So go to the sprite 1 again. And then do key. Like go to operators. Or I'm going to do key. Duplicate. I'm going to do up arrows because it's going to be W. And then say if key W or key arrow key pressed. And then now we're going to do down arrow key. Down arrow key is just going to be S. So I'm just going to find S. Wait, okay. Where's S? Come on. Okay, yeah, here. I'm going to do S. And then just do down arrow key. No. Bruh. And then S is going to be here. And here. And then we're just going to take this guy out again. Duplicate this again. Right arrow is going to be D. I'm just going to go to the beginning. D. D. Right arrow. And then last one. Duplicate this. Left arrow. And then left arrow. This is going to be, left is going to be A. So this. And then go to play. And let's see how it works. See, both arrow keys and WSDA also work. And the space can make you shoot. And then you have this pointer thing, which helps you aim at zombies. You get it? The bullets look really nice, but I think there's a problem for me. I think the bullets are really slow, so I'm going to do 13 steps. I'm going to do 0.3 seconds. Let's see how it works. Bro, the bullets are a little bit too fast. I'm going to do 10 steps. Bro, 1 step, that's so slow. And then 0.2. It's your choice which and how you want to do it, but yeah. I think this is actually a really good thing. You get it? This is your aim arrow. but yeah. And also, you know, I mean, it's your choice for this, but I want to also, like, it's a point towards Sprite 4, which is the actual aim. That's why I even made that. And now you see, really nice. I mean, basically the same, to be honest with you, but yeah. And then you can even change this again if you want to have fun with it. You can even delete this. I'm just going to do 0.1 if you can even have fun if you just do this 0.1. See, this is really fun. It's like a domination game, you get it? And then that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.